Hey everyone, welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday episode of Bald Prairie Real Estate, where we talk about one real estate related topic in 2 minutes or less. Today we're talking about everybody's favorite thing, triple pane windows, and why they matter when you're buying a house. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock and get into it. Upgrading the windows in your house is one of the most expensive renovations repairs you're going to have to do. I did a video on the most expensive repairs and renovations that you're going to have when you're buying a house. Got that right there. But replacing or repairing windows, that is going to be one of the most expensive. So if you can find a house that has updated windows when you're out shopping, that is a huge benefit. But how do you know what to look for? Well, look at the frames first. Older windows are typically going to be wood or aluminum frames, whereas newer windows are going to have PVC plastic frames, usually white, black, or a tan color, but check and see what they are. Plastic frames are the dead giveaway. Then the next thing you want to look for is how many panes of glass, because the topic of this video is triple pane windows, meaning 3 panes of glass. How do you know and how can you tell how many panes of glass there? It's kind of hard. You look right through the window. You probably didn't even know about it, but you have the tool in your pocket right now. Your cell phone. Grab it, turn on the flashlight, and shine it directly at the window. If there's 1 reflection of the flashlight, single pane, 2 for double pane, and 3 reflections means it's a triple pane window. Bet you didn't even know you had that tool sitting in your pocket right now. Triple pane windows provide 3 big advantages. They're more energy efficient, saving you money. They're going to keep your house at a more constant temperature, more comfortable, and they're quieter than double pane or single pane windows. That's a win-win-win, I would say. Now, would I not buy a house because it had double pane windows? Absolutely not. I just bought a house that had double pane windows. Good double pane window can be awfully good, not quite as good as a triple pane, but it wouldn't discourage me from buying a house. So that's what you need to know about triple pane windows when you're buying a house. So did you like that episode of 2-Minute Tuesday and want to watch another one? Right here is another 2-Minute Tuesday episode just for you. And this is what the YouTube algorithm says you need to learn next on Bald Prairie Real Estate. As always, thanks very much for watching.